TGI Fridays is a really ambitious growth strategy. An area manager now has the ability to go to any one of our 80-odd UK stores and take Microsoft Dynamics 365, have it on screen and review the relevant information that they need in real time and make the decisions, make the points they need to make with the management team so they can be a more efficient, more productive and more profitable store. That means that they don't have to prioritise coming back into head office, which might often lose them a day or two out of their routine.
If I'm out in the field doing a financial audit, I can always just log on in the store and work remotely from that store and get more work done because I won't have to come back down to the office to actually get into that secure network again.
If the general managers can accurately forecast their sales by day, it sets up their whole week and month, because on the back of that, they schedule their labour rotas and they also schedule their food and stock ordering, which impacts us in finance. Lower stock, less wastage. It's definitely going to push the boundaries and enable us to grow as a business.
Office 365 has really enabled us to become more integrated as an organisation. So with everything now in the cloud, we can access Microsoft Dynamics 365, Power BI through a browser. It's going to revolutionise the way that we make the decisions that need to be made.
This impacts any field-based person, whether they're working in property, working on a new acquisition of a new site, or whether they're in HR and out in the field. It gives them access to the data on whichever format they can use. They can use it on their phones, they can use it on their iPads. It's there, it's ready for them to use. What we're seeing now is the IT strategy is actually leading the business.
It's been a godsend for our business solutions department who look after our IT. The idea that we don't have an in-house server that needs to be maintained, upgraded continuously. Microsoft now does all of that for us. Microsoft Dynamics being hosted in the cloud has now really given us the ability to streamline and focus on our core business processes. It gives us a really great platform to do what we need to do in our day job.